So I come walking up to this house. We're right here on the main road. And come walking up. It smells stinky. I can't believe it, right here on the main road. Got a big old freaking hemp plant growing. It's amazing. I was shocked. I mean, I walked up, I'm looking at the plant, I'm like, wow, that looks really strange. And it smells, I mean, I can't believe. I mean, it's right on the street. Here, let's look again. Right there. It's like just another, you know, yard plant. Amazing. Phew, she's stinky. Alright guys, like and subscribe. I'll talk to you in the next one.